everyone. Namaste. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Most of the diseases we suffer these days are due to our poor lifestyle. Diseases like diabetes mellitus, obesity, hypertension, and many more diseases. Today we have Dr. Sunil, an eminent lifestyle medicine physician practicing at Manchester, United Kingdom, who will enlighten us about lifestyle medicine and how we can adapt certain lifestyle modifications for a better life.
Good morning, this is Sunil here. I'm one of the lifestyle medicine physicians. I just want to tell you what exactly lifestyle medicine is. It's in simple terms, it is just using your lifestyle as a medicine to change your health for better. It has main 6 pillars. The first one is nutrition. Second one is the physical activity. Third one is managing your stress. Fourth one, adequate sleep hygiene. Fifth one, avoidance of any toxic substances, including smoking and alcohol. And the last one, the most important one, is the social connectedness. And the research has shown that the number one factor to be living happily is social connectedness. Non-communicable diseases kill 40 million people each year, equivalent to 71% of all deaths globally. So each year, more than 15 million people die from a non-communicable disease, which is a chronic disease, between the ages of 30 and 69 years. 85% of these are premature deaths, which occur in low and middle income categories. 77% of all non-communicable deaths are in low and middle income countries. Cardiovascular diseases account for most non-communicable disease deaths, or 17.9 million people annually, followed by cancers, which is about 9.3 million, then the respiratory diseases, about 4 million, and diabetes, which is about 1.5 million. These 4 groups of diseases, which are preventable, account for over 80% of all premature non-communicable diseases deaths. The main factors responsible for these are tobacco use, physical inactivity, harmful use of alcohol, and unhealthy diets. These all increase the risk of dying from a non-communicable disease. This is why changing our lifestyle is very important. So improve your nutrition, have a healthy diet, move your body, increase the physical activities, avoid tobacco consumption and alcohol consumption. And stress can't be avoidable, but obviously you have to get into habit of managing it in an appropriate way and reducing the effects of stress. And lastly, sleep hygiene. It's very, very important. I hope this video has given you some insight on why the lifestyle medicine is important and why lifestyle changes are important to gain your health back. Good luck.
Hope all of you have been enlightened by Dr. Sunil, and I'm sure you will make certain lifestyle modifications. Indulge yourself in exercises, give up alcohol, smoking, junk, have enough water, fruits, and vegetables, and have a good night's sleep. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.